We start this half hour in London, where some surprising witnesses testified in the defense of Kevin Spacey in his sexual assault trial today, one of those being legendary performer Elton John.
Now, today marks the start of week 4 in Spacey's criminal trial. The actor is facing a dozen charges, including sexual and indecent assault, brought by 4 different men. He's pleaded not guilty to all of them. NBC News foreign correspondent Josh Letterman is following the trial for us. Josh, it's good to see you this Monday. If you can, just sort of break it down for us. We know that Elton John, his husband, they both appeared remotely today. Just sort of walk us through what they said.
That's right. Elton John and his husband appearing via video link from Monaco. And their testimony really stemmed from one particular allegation against Kevin Spacey from an accuser who said that while Kevin Spacey and he were in a vehicle on the way to a big gala at Elton John's home in Windsor in either 2004 or 2005, that the actor had sexually grabbed this individual, forcing him almost to drive the car off the road. But the Elton John testimony, as well as that from his husband, came to the defense of Kevin Spacey by saying, look, Kevin Spacey wasn't at the party in either of those years. It's a big annual fundraiser that Elton John holds. And the singer said that Kevin Spacey had only attended once in 2001 and had attended after arriving on a private jet. His husband testified that he went back through all of the photos from the years in question and was able to determine that Kevin Spacey was not there at the time that this accuser says that this incident happened.
Josh, who else do we expect to hear from testifying on behalf of Kevin Spacey, and what's it looking like in terms of when this trial may wrap up?
Well, as you mentioned, we're at the start of week 4, and the estimates have been that this would take about a month. And so we're likely to see this go on a little bit longer, likely to wrap up before the end of this month. Who else may be called in the defense? We don't know exactly, but Kevin Spacey was the first person to testify in his own defense, and his witness, his legal team has also called several former actors from the Old Vic, where Kevin Spacey was the artistic director here in London. They have testified to Kevin Spacey's good character. And in terms of what actually Kevin Spacey is facing in this trial, the most serious allegation charged against him is about penetrative sexual activity without consent. If he is convicted on that count, he could face jail time.
NBC News foreign correspondent Josh Letterman. Josh, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.